Today we're gonna be playing Troll Tower and
Hey, can you join me real quick? I'm getting hard.
I don't care about that Earth. So we're not gonna use this speed coil and just
Yeah, she's lying, bro.
bro,
She's
I'm
lying, guys.
and let's start it right now because I'm really tired.
Of playing video games.
I'm on mobile so I cannot move really easy.
Yeah, tell me about it. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Oh! At the jam, I can do the wall hop.
Hey, shut up!
Why?
I hate your voice.
I'm telling you, Mom.
I hate it. You know what is kidding means?
No.
Kidding? I'm just kidding, girl. Guys, sorry for using this because I don't know. Sorry, guys,
I
for
think she's talking to herself.
I'm gonna post this. Duh. Guys, sorry. Today, guys, from now on, I'm not gonna be using it right now. Sorry, guys, because I'm just getting hard from this. If I fall, guys, I'm gonna use one. Yeah. I'm not good of this, guys. Ooh. Ooh. Heal. Getting slowly because we are on the top.
Hey! Bro!
No way!
What?
I fall. I think in the middle.
Sorry. I'm so sorry about your loss.
Sorry guys for using that. I'm the jump coil because I'm super tired of the okay.
I knew it. She was lying.
We have
Oh, I did.
chill. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Chill. Looks like I'm gonna be dashing. Just kidding. So from now on, hey guys, if I fall on this, it means I'm gonna stop using the speed coil right now, okay? So where am I? Saan na ba ako okay, I'm gonna speak Tagalog. Kung saan po ako nahulog, doon po ako magre-respawn at gagamitin ko lang tong speed coil jump coil para mapunta sa aking pinaghulugan para hindi man lang daya-daya, diba?
Okay,
So, ayan, doon ako nahulog. So, doon din ako pupunta. So, kapag nahulog ako dito, wala. Babalik pa rin ako doon sa pinaghulugan. So, we're gonna be finishing this.
Hello, guys.
Wala, nahulog na naman
Hello,
ako.
guys. Today we're gonna play Dress to Impress.
Guys, nag-i-stream din po yung ading ko. So, please, i-like nyo po yung videos niya at i-subscribe nyo na din siya. Ang pangalan niya po is
Erin Peña Florida.
Erin P. Bautista.
Peña.
Doon po sa YouTube channel niya. Erin, there's no Peña in there. So, yan. Wala pa ako dito. Hindi pa ako nahulog dito. Doon po ako nahulog sa may mga na yung may mga gitna. Yung merong mga
Where is the spoon? Hello, guys. Today we're gonna
There is
play
sugar
Guess
in
Who
my
Impressed, but
tongue.
first, we have to go to the spoon.
Tongue.
No, actually,
Your
we're just gonna
body
pick a
is so
random thing.
sweet. 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 Invite me if you come.
Let's now play Roblox.
Yan guys. Doon ako nahulog o dyan, dito.
Let's open the menu.
Okay, so I'm not gonna be using that from now on.
Actually, if you don't know this, but you can do it. Really, we're gonna go to the free play and we're
Malapit
gonna
na
pick.
po tayo
Okay.
sa end.
Let's pick a random team.
Isa lang po, sorry. Yan, okay na.
Sorry for the lag. There's a lot of lags in this game. Okay, now what team should we do? Pink. Pink and white. Let's pick that one. Except for the skin, and then yeah, pink and white. Okay, let's wear these.
Ayan po, malapit na tayo natapos. Sorry guys kung nag-use akong...
Now let's wear this. Oh my god, their shoes turned so cute. Oh my god.
Yan.
Let's wear these glasses to make it super classy. You can also color things.
Kapag ako guys dito nahulog, bahala kayo dyan sa buhay niyo.
Now I'm gonna go to... Oh yeah. Let's drink something. Okay, now let's...
Thank you, Lord!
Guys, I don't know why my sister is crying right now, I think. But that is...
Ayan guys, natapos na po natin tong tower and congratulations on clearing the tower. That only trolls can't beat. Boom, 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 boom. So yan guys. Hello.
Hello, crazy. She's super crazy. Crazy. Acting and you're just so crazy. Pow, 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 pow.
But, oh,
Hey guys, I think... Oh my god, I'm lagging. I think I'm lagging now. What should we do? Okay, let's take this off. Ooh, this one looks super cute. Let's wear it. If I saw a copycat wearing the same things that I wore, I'm gonna do this half.
yan guys. Thank you po sa mga fun.
Now let's where's some plant? Since there's no pants, we're just gonna wear it.
So yan guys, thank you po sa panonood at sana nagustuhan nyo naman din daw super effort ko po dito. At sorry po kung nag-gusto ko. Next time po, sa part 2, hindi na po ako gagamit niyan, okay?
Yeah, she's gonna not keep. I don't know why I'm keeping doing this, but I just
Yan,
want to see if it's okay now. Okay, that's good. Oh my god. Oh my god, these headphones are so cute.
Bye guys.
Let's pick our Oh, what? Oh. Okay, guys. Guys, I'm gonna go get my face.
Bye guys.
Where do I